Hi, I'm Scott from Open Home Online, and welcome to some of the best views in Bellingen. Set on 5 undulating acres with beautifully landscaped gardens, this private brick and tile home flows seamlessly from inside to out. Picture postcard mountain and valley views are the first thing you notice. Breathtaking. Inside, the large open-plan living, dining, kitchen area with polished floorboards opens onto a north-facing timber deck with plunge pool. Open, breezy and light-filled. 4 large bedrooms, all with built-ins, 3 upstairs and 1 downstairs. 3 of which have French doors opening onto the wraparound veranda and deck. Split system air conditioning and ceiling fans throughout. Well-appointed kitchen, plenty of bench space and storage. Modern bathroom with bath and shower. There is a separate 1-bedroom apartment downstairs with modern bathroom, kitchen and living room. Perfect for friends and family or a source of income. Outdoors, established gardens, chook shed and run, fenced paddock for livestock and fruit trees. There is also a separate art studio, an outdoor toilet and shower. This energy efficient property is well looked after and easy to maintain. Solar electricity and solar hot water. Less than 2 kilometres to the beautiful township of Bellingen, with its wonderful river, cosmopolitan cafe scene, diverse range of restaurants, great schools, hospital, golf course, tennis courts, and your choice of some of New South Wales' best beaches a little further on down the road. Coffs Harbour is an easy 30 minutes away. I'm Scott, and I can't wait to show you this wonderful home.